Hey guys, Simon here from Myasga channel. Let's introduce new series that to achieve a game, actually a game, not some systems that how we make a game. We are doing a game. That's important part. So we'll be documenting that all the way. But important part, you must support me on Patreon. The videos will be released as a private. So you need your Gmail account. And YouTube will be private videos, so you get access with your email. Okay, so you will also get access to the Discord, so that is an important part too. Okay, let's dive in. So I will show you what is my spec. Okay, so as you see, i7 okay, 128 gigabytes of RAM, the 5600 mega transfers, GPU 16 gigabytes of RAM, so it's GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super, and mine SSD, 2 disks, so they are M2, one is M4 and one is M3 technology, so yeah, pretty fast. Yeah, I highly recommend. Why so big amount of RAM? Yeah, I know it's costly today, but it is important part to make your open world games. So if you have a less RAM, you will not able to package that huge level, so you will need to decrease the size of the level. Okay, in your build, so that is important. So if I'm making a 10K size of map, you will need to make 8K map probably. If you have a 64 gigs of RAM or less, you must check that, and you will be not able to package that, so that will be information for you, so you need to decrease the level size. Okay, that is important part. So we target also for RTX 3060, 4060 our game for epic settings, so we use all of the RTX features, of course, and DLSS. Why is that? Because it's better technology than AMD for now, and I think it's also better GPU to get further assistance, and I like it more. I like more NVIDIA cards, to be sure. Less problems for me I had. Okay. So how do we target lower GPU? Then I have more powerful GPU. So this is also important. You will have 8 gig of RAM, so you will also need to reduce your density of the assets, or maybe a level. We see information, and engine will crash in the builds. So that will be info that is level too high, or do you have too much assets packed in that level. Okay. The next thing, I have limited GPU for 35 power, so it's around desktop RTX 4060 GPU. My resolution is ultra wide, so you will see later how it's actually game work and how the FPS are on that resolution. Okay, let's go. Let's create a project. Get a new project, blank, C++. or as you want. I'm doing like that. Okay. C++ desktop maximum. I'm using a source build of engine. So I highly recommend that because you can investigate problems in engine source. If you can do something, maybe you can tweak engine a little bit, so it allow you to do the things you will not get as in the launcher version, of course. Yes, but launcher version is also needed when you want to get your plugins to the engine. So you need a small installation of that launcher version. Yeah, I will show you. Okay, you need that also, but with the smallest based elements only. Yeah, it's needed to install things like plugins. Okay, Polish version, so excuse me for that. I like my language, of course. It's easier to me to navigate. Yeah, faster. Okay, I'm using the for Siemens. Now, if you want to install from source, there are good YouTube videos. If you want, I can make a video for you how to do from the base, but it will take a lot of time. Yeah, it will take you a couple of hours to do that. So be patient. If you want to start with the engine from the launcher. Okay, I have plugins here, so as you see, go to the options and select symbols and source build, so packets will get all C++ possibility to run the engine. Okay, so we get first error here. Why that? Because the one install is opened engine of the engine, so I will show you. Don't panic. Of course, we are selecting in Visual Studio or another IDE if you have. Development editor, our project. Okay. And let's build. Now, as see, there is an error. Okay, click now and close that introduction thing. Okay, let's build once again. Yeah, it's launching. Very good. Okay, so we are here. So how? Let's start. What we are doing now? Okay. Let's make new level. It's open world also, but now to start from the base. Actually, here we new audio process, so that's the plan of this service. Empty open world, select. Okay. Save current level as. Make a new folder called maps. And call S1 maybe. Let's save that. So, engine itself package the game in lower resolution. Yeah, I know it's some odd, but that is the problem. We'll solve this as we start. Okay, so now we'll packaging that level. GameBuild. how we do that? Go to the project settings, maps modes, select that map in maps modes, yeah, check that map, go to the packaging, let's say advanced, additional directories, no, list of maps, packaging build, where is that? Oh, it's here, okay. Select our map. Let's see, it's open world because of HLD layers. Okay. Now go to platforms, package project, use development because we retrace our with under insights. Yeah, we'll touch that plugin. How we do that? You must also build that trace. So start the trace and engine will build for you. I have built before. You will get famous building project. Okay, information. It will take some time, about 5 minutes maybe. Okay, but we're doing it in a package build, not in the engine, because the problem is if you test in an engine, there are different measures. So it's hard to explain, but some things doesn't work in an editor in Py. I don't know why it's that, but it happens. So we need to test our game in package builds. Okay, that is important part, because if it works there, it will work everywhere. Yeah. Okay. So go to platforms, package project, select Windows. Okay, package project. Go to the create and desktop every place you want. I might call GameBuild and select make folder, maybe call your game. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, it's about based on your CPU. It can take 10-20 minutes.